Welcome to HaLongBay, a stunning UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Vietnam's most sought-after tourist destinations. Nestled in the Gulf of Tonkin, HaLongBay is renowned for its breathtaking beauty, with its emerald green waters, towering limestone karsts, and mystical caves. Embark on a journey of awe and wonder as you explore the natural masterpiece of HaLongBay. Take a cruise along the tranquil waters, surrounded by a majestic landscape of limestone islands that seemingly emerge from the sea. Marvel at the sheer size and unique shapes of these karsts, which have been shaped by millions of years of erosion and weathering. Discover hidden gems tucked away in the bay, such as floating fishing villages where locals live harmoniously with the water. Immerse yourself in the local culture as you witness their traditional way of life and learn about their sustainable practices. Interact with the friendly fishermen, savor fresh seafood, and gain insights into their daily routines. Delve into the mystical caves that dot HaLongBay, each with its own enchanting beauty. Venture into Hang Sung Sot, the Cave of Surprises, with its grand chambers adorned with stalactites and stalagmites. Explore Tien Kung Cave, known as the Heavenly Palace Cave, featuring incredible rock formations illuminated by colorful lights. HaLongBay offers a myriad of thrilling activities. Kayak through serene lagoons, paddle between towering karsts, and discover hidden beaches inaccessible by larger boats. Dive into the crystal clear waters to witness the vibrant marine life and coral reefs that call this bay home. As the sun sets over HaLongBay, prepare to be mesmerized by a spectacle of colors. The golden hues paint the sky and reflect upon the tranquil waters, creating a serene ambiance that is truly unforgettable. This is the perfect moment to capture stunning photographs and create lasting memories. HaLongBay is a destination that caters to all types of travelers. Whether you seek relaxation, adventure, or cultural immersion, this extraordinary place has something for everyone. Indulge in luxurious cruises, stay in boutique hotels, or experience homestays to truly immerse yourself in the beauty and authenticity of HaLongBay. So pack your bags, bring your sense of wonder, and let HaLongBay be your gateway to a world of natural marvels and cultural richness. Come and experience the splendor of HaLongBay, where nature's masterpiece awaits your exploration.